You can do the exercises while you're sitting around watching TV, just before you go to bed in a calm fashion, just to wind down. I'm going to show you the sequences if you're getting ready for bed, winding down. Maybe you do it before you do the Jing Essence exercises that we also have posted on our YouTube station. The idea is to do one last final opening up of the hamstrings, the spine, to get the chi, visualize the chi flowing again. So we're going to go from the most kind of vigorous down to the least vigorous as you get ready for bed. You'll start with putting your legs out in front of you. If you're not able to get up and down from the floor for this exercise and you have a chair with an ottoman, you can also do that in the chair. And this, as long as your legs are out straight and you're going to be stretching a bit on the hamstrings and behind the knee. So we'll go ahead and do 12 of these as we get ready to wind down and finish the stimulation for the evening. So inhale up, exhale forward, exhale, inhale up, halfway there, 8, 9, inhale up, exhale down, 11, last one, 12. And now we'll go ahead and do, yes, your hair does get everywhere when you do these. That's the idea. The next exercise we'll do is the massage rotations. I'm going to take you through 4 full cycles. You can do these for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm only going to take you through the 3 cycles, working from the inside out, 29 rotations as you go back. Feel free to pause the video, continue to do these longer, and then come back for the final exercise if you would like. So just begin at the center of your scalp, and you're going to be massaging 29 times by the time you reach the back. So you have to be pretty small circles and pretty fast. Here's what it looks like. And you can have your eyes open or closed and just breathe easily. There's not a particular inhale, exhale pattern you have to have for this one. Your arms might get very tired at first. It takes quite a lot. Your fingers will definitely get tired. Over time, you'll build up and you'll feel much more accomplished at this. It gets harder to get in 29 as you get to the smaller distance, but get lots of little circles in there. And then we go back to the center. Again, rest your arms if you need. Don't feel like you have to get it all at once. You can come back up, join in at any time. The goal is just to do the best you can, because the best is always something, which is always better than nothing. And the last of the 3 that we'll do together. Yeah, can definitely feel this. It adds up pretty quickly. But you'll not only help your hair, you'll have great blood and chi flow and great shoulder and arm strength too. Okay. And then for our last exercise for the evening before we go to bed, we visualize the chi ball again. We visualize that yin chi coming up the back of our spine to the top of our head, and that yang chi back down to our bellies. Take a deep breath. Get ready to begin, and then we'll start. Close your eyes. Inhale and exhale. Begin. Inhale the ball of light up the back of your spine to the top of your head. As you exhale, visualize that ball of light moving down the front of your body to your belly. Inhale the ball of light up the back of your spine to the top of your head, and exhale that ball of light down the front to your belly. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale the ball of light up the back of your spine to the top of your head. Exhale the ball of chi and light energy down to your belly. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Really see the light moving up the back of your spine as you inhale to the top of your head. Exhale that light down the front of your body to your belly. Inhale up again, and exhale down the front to your belly. Let's do 2 more circles. Inhale up, exhale down, and we'll really slowly now inhale and move the ball of light up the back of your spine, and exhale that ball of light down the front, and place your hands on your belly and just do a few circles. And now bring your hands out, flutter your eyes open, bring your hands out, and then just close your chi. And you're ready for sleep.